Alright, so I just bought some Rocky boots. Now, if you're in the military and want to review some Rocky boots, well, I'm going to show you. These ones I bought are the 10s, Rocky S2V tan boots. Alright, let's see what's in there. There's a picture. It says Rocky is for people who are active, engaged, and on the go. Rocky's superior comfort, design, insulation, and waterproofing system empowers them to achieve their personal best and gives them the confidence to succeed. Confidence in action. And there it is. That's why I got them. Military boots. Now, these are really, really comfortable. I know because someone I work with has them. I wanted to get some. So being in the military, you would think they would have these, right? But they have different kinds on the base. The ones I didn't want, but these are approved. So I ordered them online. And like I said, if you're wondering what they look like, or coming out of the box or whatever, this is what's gonna help you make up your mind if you want to order them or not. I'll put the link in the description below. Like I said, these are the tan ones. These are 10 S2V Rocky boots. These are the 10 wides. There we go. 10 wides. All right, let's open these bad boys up. Win free boots, huh? Well, if you want to win some free boots, go to rockyboots.com. Register for more details, I guess. Whatever. I got my pair of boots. If you want some, you go ahead and try. But good luck with that. Alright. So these are pretty nice looking, actually. Oh, man, I like these. I gotta try these on. Look at that. So, pretty nice looking. Pretty nice looking. The Rocky logo. That would suck if they gave me 2 left feet or something like that. Alright. Well, got the right and left one, so that's good. Let's take this one out the bag. Oh, not bad, not bad. There it is, S2V. Ten wide S2V. Special out version. Let's take a look at the soles. Oh yeah. A little stiff, gotta break them in though. Too bad the base don't have these yet, but we'll see. Naval base needs to hurry up and get these on the shelf. We got the sorry Bellevue ones. So